Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. My name is Vincent Tamar and today we will be talking about how to set up a business in Turkey. So many people think that having a business or opening up a business in Turkey is so difficult, but I'm here to tell you that it is easy. I will give you steps on how to set up a business in Turkey, but I want you to note something. The information that I will be giving in this very video should not be taken as a legal advice. I am giving out this information just on guidance purposes, okay? So I don't want you to take it as if a lawyer is talking to you, okay? You need the services of a lawyer or a legal team to take you through on how to set up a business in Turkey. So the benefit of setting up a business here in Turkey is enormous because you have the chances of attracting customers to your business. Turkey is in the middle of Europe and Asia, so it has a big market. So you tend to make more profit working or doing business here in Turkey. So before we digest this topic for today, I just want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you that have been supporting me in every way. Those ones that are commenting on the comment section, those ones that are subscribing, sharing my videos, I am so grateful. Thank you to you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I want you to click on the subscribe button down there. Okay, have you seen it? The red one. Yeah, click on it and support me in that way. Share this video to your friends and family members, and as well like this video. So in this way you are supporting me. Thank you so much for doing that. I haven't uploaded my video for the past 2 weeks. I have been busy, and as well I took my time to relax. It's holidays so I had to take 2 weeks off just to relax myself. Okay, now let's go into the topic for today. Now, if you're considering setting up a business here in Turkey, I want you to follow the steps on how to do that. I will make a list of them right now. The first thing I want you to do is that you must have your capital. Capital is so important. If you don't have your capital, there's no need you writing me or even thinking about businesses, okay? You must have a capital, at least $5,000, so you can be able to set up a business here in Turkey. That's just a startup. Now, why do I say $5,000? One is that as the owner of that very business or as the director of that very business, you are expected to have the minimum amount of 10,000 Turkish liras in that company account. That company you're about to open, you are supposed to have 10,000 Turkish liras minimum in that very account. So it is very important that you have at least $5,000 if you are planning to start up a small business here in Turkey. By the way, I wanted to inform you that this video is basically for small businesses, okay? Not for big businesses, maybe like big company. If you are talking about big company, you should be talking about $50,000, okay? But in this video, I'm talking about small companies. So we are looking at about $5,000 upwards. Now, let's move on to the next one. What you are expected to do, the next thing, is to have a business plan. Draw out your business plan. Any business that is about to be set up, you must have a business plan. Here in Turkey, it is required of you to have a business plan, but not compulsory. If you go to Europe, it is compulsory you have a business plan, but here it is not compulsory. Here you are required to have other documents so you'll be able to set up your business. But my advice to you is to have your business plan, which will help you to have a successful business. Another way to go about this is to employ the services of a company formation agency. There are lots of them out there, so they can be able to facilitate everything about setting up your business. Yeah, your company. They can do this. They have every logistics, they have everything that is required. They follow the procedures, the protocols on how to set up this very business. You know, they are natives of this very place, so they can speak English as well. So they have an affiliation with some legal teams that were able to set up your business. Now, the next thing is that you need the services of an accountant. This accountant will help you to draw out your financial business plan. Because when you start this business, you need to have a good record of your finance. So you need an accountant to do this for you. If this is a big company, you need to employ an accountant in this very company. But if it is a personal thing, you will be in charge, doing everything in your shop, then you don't need to employ an accountant to work for you. Only the thing you need is an accountant from the onset. When you're setting up this business, you need an accountant who will draw out the financial business plan for your company. Now, let's talk about the setup process on how to set up this very company. Now, listen, you are expected to draft out articles of association for this very company. And this article will be signed by the director. You are the director. Or if you have two or more, three people, you are expected, all these directors are expected to sign this very article of association. And remember, this article must be in line with Article 279 of the Turkish Commercial Code. Now, this is the law governing opening up a company, okay? So you must follow the steps. And the next thing you will see is that you are expected to submit the records about your passport, national passport, and your passport photograph, about 2-3 of them that are required from you. Then the next thing is your name, your full name, your surname. Now the other things are your home address here in Turkey and your address, the company address. So all these things will be submitted when they are required. Now from there, the document will be taken to the Notary Office, where your documents will be translated from the language, English language or German language, to Turkish language, and they will stamp it. Remember, all these things you have to pay money to do them, okay? Yeah, you have to pay money to do them. Now, if you finish from the notary, where they have stamped all your documents, you can now take all these documents to the Turkish Commercial Registry Office. In that place, you have to pay another money, and when you pay, they will start up the registration of your business. Maybe it will take about 15 days or 20 days, and after that, they will issue out a registration certificate to your company, and the incorporation of this very company will be published in the Turkish Gazette. From there, this company must be registered for VAT, and VAT is all about the tax. So after this, then your company is ready. So these are all the steps that are needed for you to follow. Although it will take a little while, probably a month or plus, for you to do all these things, and you'll be ready to go. Now, the next segment for this very video is citizenship by investment for business owners. Yeah, you can become a citizen of this country by having a certain amount of money, investing a certain amount of money into the Turkish economy. Now, since 2018, the Turkish government has added some incentives for business owners to become a citizen of this very country. The government, they made some declarations that if you can invest $250,000 in a property here in Turkey, you can become a citizen of this very country. So many other countries, they do it as well. And there are other options for entrepreneurs to become a citizen of this very country. So one of the other options is to have a venture capital investment that is worth about $500,000. You can become a citizen in this way, or you can deposit a minimum of $500,000 in a Turkish bank account. Then you can as well become a citizen in this way, or provide job for at least 50 Turkish people in this very country. In this way, they can as well give you a citizenship. And another one is to make a fixed capital investment that is at least $500,000. So all these things are quite expensive for for beginners like me and so many other people out there. So if you can't do all these things that I have said, another way, simpler way, is to get married to a Turkish person. If you're a woman, you get married to a Turkish man. If you're a man, you get married to a Turkish woman, and you can become a citizen of this very country. These are the ways you can become a citizen for this in this very country. So this brings us to the end of this very video, guys. Thank you so much for being there, for watching this video to the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. Click on the subscribe button, and as well share this video with your friends and family members, the people that need it, and like this video. You can leave a comment down there. Thank you so much for being there. See you in my next video. Bye for now.